guys, welcome back to my channel. Who am I? Who am I filming and uploading 2 videos in 2 days? Who am I? Don't get used to this. I'm not always going to be this reliable. I just happen to have a little bit of time today because it's a Saturday, and also because I wanted to make sure that today's video goes up before the Nykaa's pink box sale, whatever it's called. It's mentioned right here. Which ends on 26th. I was not sure I will be able to show you. Oh, hi Juju. Hi Bonnie. Kahan hai mera bachcha? Hi. As I was saying before the Bonnie came, and now you can focus exclusively on her. I wanted to make sure that I can, if possible, try to show you what I got before the sale got over. Only and only because in case you like any of these things, you can buy them for yourself. But here's what we're not focusing on. We're not focusing on how my hair is greasy on the top, and so I have angled my camera and I'm sitting extra straight so you can't see the top of my head. We're also not focusing on the fact that my camera battery is dying. I'll be right back. It's intermission ke liye khed hai. My camera battery is dying, but it's not dead. And the other one I forgot to turn on and charge. I just put it in the charger and forgot about it. Let's not dwell on that. Let's absolutely not dwell on that. Let's instead dwell on the fact that my makeup looks fly today. And the reason behind that is that I really like the stuff that I got. Now I'm not reviewing anything, I'm just showing you what I got. Reviews and whatever will come later. Some things will be speed reviews, some things will be in-depth reviews. No, doesn't matter. But what does matter is what I've got today. So let's talk about all the things I got in the Nykaa pink sale. I used a lot of the products that I'm talking about today. So I'll show you demos of the stuff that I used. First things first, what I've got in my hand is a set of 3 brushes. This is Real Techniques. This is the package it comes in, and it's out because I used it. These are the Real Techniques Eye Bonus Brush Set. So the 3 brushes that are in this are the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, Base Shadow Brush, and a dual-ended eyebrow brush. So you've got a thin eyebrow brush on one side, and you've got a spoolie on the other side. Then I got the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara. I did use it today, and not only did I use it today, I used it yesterday as well. I think I like it. You tell me. The demo is right here. You can see me use it, and I like it. Now here's the big deal. I got the Huda Beauty what is it called? Mercury Retrograde palette. It's not the one that's on my eyes today. I'll show you what is. But I'm super excited about this because I got this on a flat 50% off. I only buy Huda Beauty palettes when they're on 50% off on Nykaa, which happens sometimes once a year or so, because they're really good value for money at that time. And you best believe I swatched everything I could. None of this is prime pristine anymore. I have tried at least swatching, if not on my eyes. It's a beautiful pastel-y palette. It's right up my alley with what I'm into these days, which is more neutral, natural, light kind of colors. So I will do a demo. I'll probably do like an in-depth review of this, because why the hell not? Just because it's not a new palette doesn't mean it can't be reviewed a little bit later. I'll tell you something, when I was shopping for this haul, I didn't really do a lot of experimentation. 1 or 2 were experiments, 1 or 2 were new things that I've never heard anything about. But mostly I tried to buy stuff that I knew is generally well reviewed, because it's expensive stuff. A lot of this is expensive, and I don't want to be in a position where I'm wasting a lot of money. So the rest of the things are sitting in this pouch. This pouch came free with purchase. I'm not sure how much you need to shop for in order to get this. This is a nice pouch. It says Nykaa, all that you love. I think it's like an older pouch that they had launched earlier. The rest of the makeup that I got is sitting in here. I was super curious about this. This is the René Fab 5 5-in-1 lipstick, and it is in the nude variant. It's what I've got on my lips right now. I don't have a demo of this because applying a lipstick was an afterthought for some reason. But this is what it looks like. It's got 5 nude colors. So you've got a nudie purple, you've got a nudie pink, you've got a nudie nude, you've got a nudie brown, and you've got a slightly different nudie pink. I don't know if I like it. I've worn it for 2 days. Quite creamy, quite comfortable, decently long lasting, not transfer proof. My husband will vouch for the fact that it is not transfer proof. But it's pretty and I like it. And I think after the discount, it's worth the money. By the way, all the MRPs and discounted prices are listed in the description box. So hopefully it'll help you make a decision on if you want any of these things. This is such a steal. This is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette and I have the 01 variant. I've not tried this yet. I have swatched it. And when I do like a proper review of it, I'll show you the proper swatches. My arms are not swatch ready today. So this is what it looks like. I'm really attracted to shades like these, the pinky berry tone shades. I'm very attracted to these kind of shades all the time. So it was an easy choice for me to choose this one. It's so pretty, and from what I've swatched on my arms, the matte shades are very buttery. Swatches are not an indicator of quality, so I'm not going to say how they apply on the eyes, but they feel really nice and soft on the finger, and when I swatch it on my arm, it feels pretty nice. I got the e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palette, and I got the cream and sugar variant. I'm not sure how the others perform because this is the only one I've ever had. I've used it yesterday and I have thoughts about it. For example, there's one major flaw in this is that, at least in this palette, a mid-tone matte brown is desperately missing. I feel like every palette should have one of those, like a mid-tone matte shade that you can use as a transition shade. I'm not sure about the other color variants in this, but for this one, beautiful buttery shades. At least yesterday it was such a pleasure to use them. I missed a transition shade. So excited about this. This is the eyeshadow that's on my eyes. This is the Huda Beauty Sand Haze Obsessions palette. Beautiful. Huda, girl, you know how to do eyeshadows. You are so good at them. So good at them. So I got the sand variant again because I'm very attracted to these neutral pink shades. This berry right here, very attractive for me. Am I pointing at the right thing? I don't know. This pink one right here, very attractive for me. I love the mattes. I already knew that I love Huda Beauty shadows, like their quality is always good. I used quite a bit of these shades today. For example, I used this one. So let's go from here to here, right? From left to right for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I used shade 6 all over my eyes to set. I used shade 7 as a transition color. I used shade 5 as a transition enhancer, like also in my transition. I used shade 9 to deepen the crease a little bit and all over my lid. And then I used the shade 4 as the shiny pop that you see on my lid. And then I used the shade 3 on my under eye. That is my whole look today. I got the Flower Beauty Heatwave Luminous Bronzer. I don't have any luminous bronzers. I only have matte ones. So I wanted to make sure I have at least one of these. I really like it. I chose this because it is the lightest bronzer that Flower Beauty has at the moment. And I have found that I prefer look naturally tan instead of like I've got a tanner on, like a self tanner on. This is very close to my skin tone, so it gives me like a bronzy tanny look without looking like I self tanned. I just look like I have a healthy glow and a nice tan complexion. That's why I went for this. Very close to my skin tone, so if you are deeper than me, this is probably not good for you. And if you're really deep, this is probably like straight up a highlight for you. Another thing that's luminous, not shimmery, is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Powder. I got the shade Beige, and this is what I used to set my whole makeup. I used it under my eyes, I used it all over my face, I used it everywhere. It's quite nice. I don't know how to describe it. It's not shimmery. It's not even shiny. It's just not matte. Do you know what I mean? I like it today, and I've heard good reviews about this. This was not one of those things that I got because I wanted to experiment. This is the thing that I got because I wanted to experiment. This is the Etude House Face Color Shading Powder. And I got this because it looked like it is nice gray toned. It's not actually brown toned, it's quite gray. And I got this to be my contour, and I feel like today, and at least my husband says so, my contour looks like I actually have shadows on my face. I also contoured my nose. So here's a video of how I did it. I think I enjoy it. I'll have a more in-depth review later. But just to compare, I want to show you what my Bahama Mama bronzer looks like. So this is the Etude House one, and this is why I'm calling it super cool toned, gray toned. It's because this is what I normally use to contour, and this is certainly more warm compared to this. Do you see what I mean? I'll also show you the other stuff that I have. I also really enjoy using the butter bronzer. Much warmer than this. This is definitely a bronzer, whereas this is definitely more of a contour shade. Also, let's quickly compare this to my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, which is quite popular. At least it used to be quite popular to use as a contour. It is kind of cool tone, but not as cool as this. Can you tell the difference? It's quite interesting. So this is my first time actually trying it out. So far I like it. We'll see if this works out. It's going to be possibly the coolest toned contour bronzer product, face product that I own, and I'm quite excited about that. But this is the experimental product. I have never seen reviews on this. I have never seen anyone try it. If it's out there, I've never even actually looked. I chanced upon this on the Nykaa website, and I was like, that kind of looks like it might be cool toned. I compared it to the other shades in the same line. So this is shade number 1. I think there is shade 2 and shade 3. Both of them are much warmer than this. So I got this. But yeah, that's my total haul. All the batteries are dying, laptop batteries dying, phone batteries dying, computer batteries dying, laptop, computer are the same, camera batteries dying, all the batteries are dying. So that's where we are at. We are near the end of all the batteries, so we have to be near the end of this video. I will try, I'm not committing to it, but I will try to have this look go up as a reel or as like an IGTV video or something on my Instagram. So follow me right there, somewhere on the screen. And it's also listed in the description box. You remember my puppy, Juju, Bonnie? She was right there in the beginning of the video. She's on Instagram as well. Her Instagram is BonBonZoo. One of my friends also asked me to do like a story of getting Bonnie. So I'm gonna go do that at some point. So subscribe to my channel if you want to see any of those. My puppy is really cute. Go follow her on Instagram, doing nothing but just happy puppy things, like sleeping or chomping on something yummy, or annoying mama, or mama annoying her. It's not very common. But go ahead and do that, and I will see you hopefully in my next video. Bye.